From the very beginning, Pluralsight has been focused on what I like to call the one. The one is essentially the single individual who wants access to a better opportunity in tech. But over the last decade, we've shifted the focus of our business and now sell mostly into other businesses. And with that shift, we didn't want to lose that focus on the one. So back in 2017, we launched Pluralsight One to maintain that focus. And now we have a clear charter to focus on bridging the opportunity gap in tech.
The technology industry needs to reflect the diversity of the broader society at large, and today it does not. The gaps today exist largely in what have traditionally been underrepresented, underserved, or ignored groups. Women are about 25% of the technology workforce. In the case of BIPOC, it's about 7% representation in STEM fields, including technology.
Pluralsight's mission is to advance the world's technology workforce. And we do this ultimately by partnering with nonprofits and our largest enterprise customers to lift those underserved communities by creating on-ramps for them into the tech workforce.
Year Up is a national 501c3 nonprofit that's focused on closing the opportunity divide in this country. We believe that talent is evenly distributed, opportunity is not. There are some 6 million young adults in this country that we classify as opportunity youth. There are some 12 million open jobs at a number of Fortune 500 companies and others that are going unfilled. So we're simply a bridge and access to connect those two. And one thing that Pluralsight has been able to add is the significant ability to close the gap with regard to technical training. There have been 8,000 plus staff, students, and alumni that have actually used Pluralsight's training over the past 4 years.
Coming from a school that wasn't really well funded, I didn't get the opportunity to learn a lot about tech the way that Europe was allowing me to. Having access to Pluralsight, I could learn whatever I wanted. I had so many more opportunities. Europe and Pluralsight both helped me get the career I have now. Were it not for them, I wouldn't have been able to work at the company that I work at.
What inspires me most about Pluralsight One is that we're literally changing the face of the tech workforce. And ultimately, this solution is giving those business customers access to exciting new tech talent pools that will change the face of their businesses. We're impacting the tech workforce one person and one company at a time.